Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on with our $25 online business, best business on the internet right now, and we're going to promote it using my lead gen secrets. All right. So first off, we're going to refresh. It looks like I got a sale yesterday, but let's refresh and make sure here. Yes, indeed, I did get a sale yesterday. Okay, we got a sale yesterday, guys. That's 2 sales so far with 1 account. Nice. Just 1 account, guys. All right. So what we're gonna do here, and the thing about these sales I want to talk about real quick is that these are recurring commissions, 80% recurring commissions. So the product costs $25, you get 20 of that. That's insane, guys. And $25, anybody can afford that every month. $25 a month. That's lower than your phone. Like, I can't even think of a bill that low. Not anymore. So yeah, guys, it's 100% worth it, and you can build your whole business off of this. This is just worth trying at least, guys. This is a very extremely good offer, and I think people really need to try this out and give it a shot because it's worth it. And you don't even have to promote this particular product in the system. It gives you a funnel builder. You can build whatever product you want. That's the thing. And it's $25 a month, which is a lot less than all the other funnel builders out there. Plus you get a lot more with it. It's crazy. You get training and all that too if you really want to get it. The premium, which is amazing. All right, guys, this product, and the premium costs $125. The training costs $125, and it constantly updating it. But when people buy training, so that's right here, you see this $100 here, that's somebody that's staying with the training. You get $100 out of that $125. 80% commission every month. This is insane, guys. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say about the product. The product's amazing. It's amazing. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, we're gonna come over here to my lead gen secrets here. Okay, we're gonna get all our people, and we're gonna pick an email to use here. That one got a sale, so I kind of want to go with that one again, to be honest, but I don't know. Okay, that's the one I better win. What about this one? Let me see how this looks here. Kind of long. I don't know about that. That one might not work. I can't remember if that worked well or not. So we're just gonna go with the one we did yesterday since it got us a sale, guys. Seems like a safe bet. So we're just gonna do the same as that one and see what happens. All right, guys, we're gonna we already got the link here. You can get your link. Remember, you can get your link right here. I gotta be careful not to show the people information. Right here, you can get your link right here. Remember that. All right, guys, let's keep it moving here. Preview. Make sure the link works. I know it works because I sent it before, but just in case there. All right, guys, it works. The link works really well. All right, we're gonna send the email. $25 all-in-one online business is the best product you can sell, man. Online right now, it's just baffling to me. But imagine if you put like a ton of money into it. I'm not putting that much money into it right now because I'm testing it out, trying to get sales with like tests. You know what I mean? But if I were to like really go all in on this product, we'd make a ton of money, guys. I mean, setting up ads everywhere, like Google, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, set up Pinterest ads, and just really just go crazy with it, right? Instagram ads, set up an Instagram, whatever, and go crazy with it. You can really make a ton of money with this product. it can get to a point where you constantly making that amount of money that you need every month to live, to survive. You can get to that point and you don't gotta worry about getting sales no more, really. Anything extra is just extra, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's keep it moving here, guys. That's about it. Make sure the links are in the description below, by the way. You know, if you want to sign in to the product, you're interested in the product on the $25 online business and my lead gen secrets here. If you're interested in the product there, just go down there to the description. There are links for both of those products down there. All right, guys. You'll be signed in under me, myself, and I, which will help me out, to be honest with you. And yeah, guys, I just think this is a really good product to promote, guys. All right. Now, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.